And today I'm very pleased to welcome you to the beautiful village of Wemden. Here on Downhill Drive, we are looking at a substantial 5-bedroom detached family home, complete with a private garden and elevated with fantastic views. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to book a viewing on this fantastic property or would like a valuation of your home by the Property Centre, then please do get in touch.